It's a lot harder to be a number one than it is a number three. All the Highline brands, the customers and the OEMs expect more from us than any other carrier. We have probably some of the highest insurance, not premiums as far as liability side, that anybody would have for what we haul.
When it comes to safety culture at Reliable, it's imperative that we're safe if we want to stay around. We realize with these nuclear verdicts these days and the way liability is that if you're not a safety-first culture, then your doors are going to be shut in.
Our customers expect the white glove service, so that's what we sell is quality. Whether it's someone's $30,000 Nova or their $500,000 Ford GT. So I think the biggest thing is making sure we're staying on top of the technology.
We spent months evaluating all the different providers on the market. We came down to Motive as well as a few of their competitors. We put every single app in the driver's hands, spent months getting real-time feedback from our drivers, see what they liked. We put it into our safety personnel as well to see which provider they preferred. And at the end of the day, Motive was the clear winner. Everyone chose Motive over all the competitors.
As far as our driver being safe on the road with Motive, to me it's a game changer. It's an absolute game changer for us. All that has tremendously changed how Reliable Carriers does business.
So prior to having dash cams, when we were involved in an accident, it was a lot of he said, she said. Even when our driver wasn't at fault, it would be a lot of wasted time and wasted money of us potentially having to get a lawyer, be involved in litigation. While we've been with Motive, we've been involved in accidents, and our drivers will have immediate access to that footage and being able to show the officer right on the spot that they weren't at fault.
Initially, there was some resistance with us going to be implementing dash cams. However, today, drivers do not want to be without them.
Motive's been amazing to keep us proactive when it comes to our safety. We no longer have to manually monitor some of our driving incidents that happen. Motive actually alerts us. We get email alerts as soon as there's an event out in the road. Our team's able to be proactive on it. They're able to coach these drivers. They're able to bring them in for counseling if needed and make sure that doesn't happen again. We're able to get ahead of incidents before they happen.
We will not let our truck go on the road without having a dash cam installed. It took one of our trial drivers getting into an accident for us to realize the value of them within minutes having access to the dash cam footage.
Because not only is it exonerating our drivers, it is settling claims just like that.
It's just saved a lot of time and make things so much easier. You can contact the drivers directly right off the app on your phone, and you can see and get a visualization of what's going on.
The customers nowadays want basically instant tracking of where their vehicle's located, where the truck's located. So technology is a big factor in our business now to provide that type of visibility to our customers.
On our maintenance side, we're able to get real-time visibility into all of our fault codes within our trucks. We now route them right to a dealership or one of our in-house maintenance shops as soon as that engine light comes on. And that saves us dollars from that truck breaking down the road and then potentially not able to deliver a customer's vehicle. Reliable Carriers is a large corporation where we have many vendors, and I can say that Motive's been one of our best vendors to work with. It's been a true partnership from day one. Anytime they roll out a new feature, we're always in communication with them. They want to see their customer side and see how we like the product. They are always working hand in hand to improve our experience as much as possible.
So the team at Motive is really an extension of our team here at Reliable. We've worked so closely with all different departments at Motive, from their safety team to their side camera team. They truly care about customer feedback. And I think that it means so much in a partnership, and a long-term partnership.
It's difficult to put a number on the value that Motive has returned on our investment. It has truly been transformational to our entire company. It has changed our operations, it's changed our dispatch, and it's changed our safety, it's changed our maintenance. We are a far better company today with Motive than we were before Motive.